So when I applied back in 2001, I was just turning 19 pa lang. And then you do those requirements, send them. Oh, noon send kasi wala pang internet pa eh. So ngayon you can apply online, go through those paperwork, and then pagkatapos na yun, you'll get your calling or kung saan ka ma-assign. Hindi namin na-choose kung saan namin gusto. So we waited about 2-3 months, get the reply back, open the calling, and then it will tell you exactly kung saan ka mapapwesto o kung matestino. So from Sydney, Australia, I got called to serve in the Philippines Naga Mission. Back then, yung Naga Mission was buong Bicol. So nakatestino ako sa Masbate, Goa, Laganoy, Catanduanes, Daet, Camarines Norte, and then Naga City, which is Camarines Sur. So, pero lahat ng mga lugar sa Bicol, naikot ko rin. So, as a missionary, is we're supposed to basically give all the information about the plan of salvation or yung tinatawag na plan of happiness o yung plano ng Diyos para sa atin. And that is a very important and special message that is available now. It's very simple about the plan of happiness. It's about us, kung ano ang let's say layunin natin dito sa mundo, saan tayo nanggaling, at saan tayo pupunta pagkatapos nito. So, yung